unraveling the marvels of artificial intelligence and machine learning. In the vast landscape of technological advancements, few innovations hold as much promise and intrigue as artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning (ML). These groundbreaking technologies are revolutionizing industries, reshaping our daily lives, and unlocking possibilities once deemed the realm of science fiction. Understanding the foundations. At its core, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, encompassing tasks such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. Machine learning, a subset of AI, focuses on the development of algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data, without explicit programming. Applications across industries. The applications of AI and ML span a multitude of sectors, ranging from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. In healthcare, these technologies enable predictive analytics for early disease detection, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery. In finance, AI-powered algorithms drive fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk management strategies, optimizing decision-making processes. In transportation, autonomous vehicles leverage ML algorithms to navigate complex environments, enhance safety, and optimize routes. Meanwhile, in entertainment, recommendation systems powered by AI algorithms personalize user experiences, suggesting tailored content across streaming platforms and social media networks. Democratizing access to information. One of the most profound impacts of AI and ML lies in their ability to democratize access to information and empower individuals and organizations with actionable insights. Through data analysis and pattern recognition, these technologies unveil hidden correlations, identify trends, and extract valuable knowledge from vast datasets. For businesses, AI and ML enable predictive maintenance strategies, customer segmentation, and sentiment analysis, facilitating data-driven decision-making and enhancing operational efficiency. Moreover, in the realm of e-commerce, recommendation engines leverage ML algorithms to deliver personalized product suggestions, driving engagement and sales. Ethical considerations and challenges. However, the proliferation of AI and ML also raises ethical considerations and challenges. Concerns regarding data privacy, algorithmic bias, and job displacement underscore the need for responsible development and deployment of these technologies. Addressing these challenges requires interdisciplinary collaboration, transparent governance frameworks, and ongoing dialogue among stakeholders. Furthermore, as AI systems become increasingly autonomous and complex, ensuring transparency, accountability, and interpretability remains paramount. Researchers and policymakers are exploring approaches to mitigate algorithmic bias, promote fairness and inclusivity, and uphold ethical standards in AI and ML applications. Future perspectives and opportunities. Looking ahead, the future of AI and ML holds immense promise, driven by ongoing research breakthroughs, technological advancements, and interdisciplinary collaboration. Emerging trends such as explainable AI, XAI, federated learning, and generative adversarial networks, GNs, are reshaping the landscape of intelligent systems, unlocking new frontiers and opportunities for innovation. As AI and ML continue to evolve, their transformative potential across industries and societal domains is undeniable. By harnessing the power of data-driven insights, adaptive algorithms, and human-centric design principles, we can navigate the complexities of the digital age and unlock the full potential of artificial intelligence and machine learning. In conclusion, the journey of AI and ML is a testament to human ingenuity, curiosity, and resilience, a journey marked by innovation, discovery, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we embark on this transformative odyssey, let us embrace the possibilities, navigate the challenges, and chart a course toward a future where technology serves as a force for good, empowering individuals and communities to thrive in a rapidly evolving world.